Yo, where the f is J-Lo?
Y'all seen J-Lo?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, back again with another video. And today, I can get it in camera, see what we're working on. So today, it's a simple mission. First and foremost, that C-beam. I can show you the C-beam, but I have to get the C-beam off. I got a new tripod too, so I'm trying different things, but I'm gonna show you the C-beam. That has to come off. And once we get that bad boy off, we are going to rotate the car, put the front here, that way it'll be kind of easier to work the engine. And once we get it there, we also too have to take apart the engine briefly. We're not going all the way down, just probably valve covers, oil pan, gasket, everything, just to make sure everything's sealed up, and then we're gonna put this bad boy in there. But today's primary focus is that C-beam. So to get it out, it's already unbolted. It was 4 really long screws with nut at the end of them, and then it fell down. It looks like it's resting on the parking brake cable, so I need to definitely address that, slap that bad boy out. Once we do that, we're going to turn this bad boy around. I realized that I was working hard, and I figured a way to just secure that bad boy up without having to worry about it. Now it's the sketchy part. What I'm going to try to do is let the car roll out and down. Once it's down, I'm going to use the truck to pull it up, and then I disconnect that bad boy, roll back down into the driveway forward. This may be really sketchy, and it's just a fair warning. I actually may wait till I get some help to try this. That's what's going on next. Alright, so we got the Vette out of the parking spot. What I'm going to attempt to do, and this is very dumb, but use the truck to pull the Vette up the street so I'll have enough momentum to roll back down and get it back where it's supposed to be. That's what we're doing now. Y'all wish me luck. This could potentially be dangerous. Alright, so I had to call in reinforcements. We did get the Vette turned around. Had to call some backup. Backup! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Very much. Now we can get this sumbitch started for real. Man, it's hotter than the sun, but about 200 degrees out here in the Georgia weather. Heat plus the damn humidity makes it feel like about over 500. But shit. You excited?
Goddamn right I am, bro.
Damn right. You think I can get this shit done by tomorrow?
It's too goddamn hot.
You're right. Give him about another maybe week and a half. This son bitch gonna be got chopping worse than Jackie Chan throwing the fit in the got chop.
When it get to the butcher.
You dig what I'm saying? Chicken with his head cut off. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna leave it at. I'm finna go wash my black ass because it's hot. It's beyond hot. As you can see, I'm sweating, shirt sweating, legs sweating, Vette sweating, everything sweating, man. I love you though. Thank you for rocking with me, and this your boy J-Lo signing off this bad boy. Love you. Peace.